Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be talking to you about Expertnaire as well as the various ways that you can make money on Expertnaire. My name is Yemionline, and if this is your first time watching any of my videos, kindly click on the bell notification icon, subscribe, like and share our videos. That way YouTube gets to show our videos to more people, and I'm going to be motivated to keep on doing more videos for you guys in the future. So without me wasting much of your time, let's get into what we have for you today. First things first, before we go into what the various ways you can make money on Expertnaire, I think is best to first of all define what Expertnaire is. Expertnaire is an affiliate network. Basically, it's an affiliate network for Nigerians, and I basically like to call it like a click bank for Nigerians, because of course you know that Nigerians usually have issues when trying to promote certain affiliate products from people like from companies like Clickbank, you know, that don't accept Nigerians and all of that. So Expertnaire is Nigerian owned. They also have digital products for sale on their platform that are of the topmost quality, so that when you're buying it, you know that you're buying stuff that you know is of high quality, and you don't really have anything to worry about. Stuff that is going to be useful to you, and you're going to get value for your money. So now let's move on from there, and let's talk about the three different ways that you can make money on Expertnaire. So like I just explained to you, basically you get paid for recommending high digital products from top experts, and that's basically the major way to make money from Expertnaire. But that is just one way. So as an affiliate, you are going to need to register with Expertnaire, and registration costs 10,000 naira per year. But that's just a token compared to the earning potential of this platform. So once you pay 10,000 naira per year, you then automatically whatever matter the amount of money you make on the platform is yours. You don't have to pay anything per product and all of that stuff. But basically, you need to pay 10,000 naira per year. But before the end of this video, I'm going to share with you a little secret of how you can get 1 year free um, registration, 1 year free membership, without necessarily having to pay the center. You're going to get it for free. So if you stay with me to the end of the video, I'm going to tell you more about that. um, so the first way is to promote digital products on the platform, and then you get paid for a percentage of the cost of that item. So to explain this thing to you, I'm going to move into my dashboard so that you can better understand what I'm trying to show you. Okay, sorry. So here we are in my Expertnaire dashboard. So this is my dashboard. This is my affiliate stats. You can see I've made 55 sales so far, and my total earnings to date is about 692,500. My current account balance, this is the money that I'm yet to withdraw, is 30,000 naira. I'm going to still do a separate video about my earnings, and I'm going to be reviewing um 72 IG program, which is a program that has made me to earn up to this amount of money and all of that. But that's going to be in another video. If I should do that in this video, it's going to be unnecessarily long. So let's move on to my dashboard. So this is my dashboard now. So let me go to Expertnaire product marketplace. So let's go there, and it has loaded. So now, as you can see, we have different products in the marketplace. So look at the new product just got listed: CPA affiliate mastery. You have pattern making with ease. You have different products here. So now I want to show you something. Okay, so let's pick this pattern making with ease. You're going to see that the cost of the product is 50,000 naira. So the affiliate commission here is 40 meaning 40%. So what that tells us is that for every copy of this product that you sell, you're going to get a commission of 40% of the cost of that product. Do you get it? You get 40%. So let's go down again and look for another one. Okay, all right. Forex coaching with Michael Olatunji. The first for the very first, okay, the cost of the product is some 100,000 naira. So what this means is that for every product you sell, you're going to automatically get 50,000 naira commission. Simple, like simple, you know. So Expertnaire products, basically you're going to get some, from what I've seen on the platform here, your commissions typically range anything from 30% to as high as even 80%. Yeah, 80%. There's a particular product here with an affiliate commission of 80%. So, and that is why I love the platform so much. The earning potential is just like off the chart. Yeah, and the platform has changed my life in more ways that I can even imagine. It's been a wonderful experience so far. So let's move on to the second way that you can make money on Expertnaire. Now the second way is as a product vendor, and as you can see, all of these products here were listed by different product vendors. Their products have passed through quality control and they've seemed to be of the topmost quality before they've been listed here. So for those people who own this product now, of course you know that you are sharing they are sharing their profits with you, and then you get a percentage of the commission and they get to keep the rest. So second way that you can make money on Expertnaire is as a product vendor. So if you have a course that you have made, you could just decide to upload it on the Expertnaire website, and you also get to earn as people purchase. So the good thing about uploading your product on a platform like this is that if you decide to promote it yourself, you're going to be spending money on ads, you're going to be spending money on a lot of things, you know, but majorly on ads, especially if you are deciding to use paid ads, you spend money on ads. But when you upload on the platform like this, you realize that um the if your product is actually a hot product, you're going to have a situation whereby a lot of people will be promoting this product for you, so that your effort is not just going to be you alone, but you're going to have, like, you know, you're going to have, maybe say, I don't know, maybe 20, 30, 40 people or even more promoting that same product that you're selling. And at the end of the day, your earnings can double or even triple, you know. But a lot of people will look at it and say, but um, I'm only earning half of the commission. Maybe if your product is 50k now, you're only getting 25k. And you'll be like, I'm getting 25k, I'm getting this amount, I'm not getting the full amount. But at the end of the day, you realize that turnover is what really matters. If you are getting 20k or 15k, but you are able to sell probably, I don't know, maybe a thousand copies of a particular product within, say, 2-3 months, is it not better than having to sell it at the full price, and then it takes you maybe a whole year or more to sell as many as those copies of the product that you sold? So that's why I kind of like that vendor style as well. But of course, you know that it takes a lot of time, research, energy to make a product of your own, which is why a lot of people prefer to be affiliates and they don't bother to make the products themselves. But it's still a second way to make money on Expertnaire, and I thought I should mention that to you as well. So now let's go to the third way. Now the third way is by promoting the Expertnaire affiliate um, accounts. Because I told you that you can make money as an affiliate, you can make money as a vendor, and then you can make money by promoting the Expertnaire affiliate account itself. So let me show you what I mean. So let's go back to my dashboard. And so look at it here now. So this is my own affiliate referral link for Expertnaire itself. So if someone wants to join the Expertnaire platform, wants to register on the Expertnaire platform, all you need to do is just give them this link, give them your link. This is my link, so all you need to do is just give them your link, and then once you give them your link and they register, automatically you are going to get 30% commission off the total cost of the registration. So the registration is 10,000 naira, and you're going to get 3,000 naira automatically credited to your referral earnings. But I haven't really made any sales from the referral, so you can see that my balance is 0 and 0. But if I had made sales, you would have seen the amount of money I made as referral earnings, and then if I had withdrawn the amount, you would see it here as well. But I haven't made any sales here, and that's why you have everything showing 0 and 0. So I hope I explained it to you well. So so let me show you something else. How do you know when you've made a sale? If someone buys a product through your affiliate, how do you even know? How does the sale get tracked to you? Now, the same way I have this referral affiliate link here, for every product that you are promoting in the product marketplace, there is a link that is unique to you. So let's go to one of them. Let's pick the CPA mastery. So if I click on this I button here, you're going to see this affiliate link. You're going to see the link. Now this link now for this product is unique to me alone, and me alone. It is unique to me alone. So if I give if I recommend this product to someone and I give them that link, once they make a purchase using that link, automatically I'm going to get credited. I will be notified via email that someone just ordered a copy of a particular product depending on the product that I'm promoting. So I'm going to show you, I'll give you a brief I'm going to show you how the email is going to look like when someone makes a sale. The mail that is going to be sent to you. Okay, it's going to look something like this. So as you can see, Olayemi Alabi, you've made a sale, blah 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 blah. You can see. So for this particular sale, I made 10,000 naira commission. The product is sold for 20,000 naira, so I made a commission of 10,000 naira. As you can see here, you earn a commission of 10,000 naira. But there are other products that sell for higher, like I showed you earlier on. So it all depends on the product you're promoting. So if you're promoting something like the 72 IG implementation program, I think the price just got increased to 45,000. So and you earn a 50% commission if you are a 72 IG student. So if you are a 72 IG student, you get a 50% commission, which is going to be like 22,500 per sale. That's huge, very huge. So I think those are the 3 ways you can make money on Expertnaire, and I just thought I quickly show it to you. Sorry, I had to use my phone. The system was having some issues with my microphone, and I just said instead of waiting to have it fixed, I guess I should just use my phone to do a quick recording to show you how it's done. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please kindly subscribe, like and share. Hit on the bell notification icon as well, and I will see you in the next video. So take care and bye.